When is the last time you did something for the first time? When is the last time you did something for the first time? Everyone in here should be saying today. It's this way right here. Y'all ready for this? Are you ready for this? Let the world hear you coming, brothers. Ready for that?
Oh shit, are you sending it?
What you got today? I hope you want it. Everybody get that hoorah! Hoorah! That's it. Your tickets today. Hoorah!
We have just arrived at the 2022 Tough Mudder in Toronto, actually in Hamilton, but close enough. We got Sam and Tyler, and we gotta do 15 kilometers. How many obstacles?
30.
30 obstacles. Sam's actually on her 8th Tough Mudder, Tyler's on his 9th. I'm on my first one, and I've kept pretty much everything a secret. I realized there's monkey bars here, and some electroshock therapy over here. Let's just get into it.
Okay. You said I wouldn't get muddy. My hands are disgusting.
Everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold.
Yeah? 1, 2.
Would've got a rug burn on my head.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine
So we're strategizing here. This is action being played out. Tyler is gonna pull us two up, and then we're gonna pull opposite.
You two are gonna pull me up.
You know what? I can actually.
Okay.
And I'm gonna pull you guys down.
Yeah, I'll pull you.
Okay, we're gonna pull. Me and Sam are gonna pull Tyler up. Tyler's gonna pull us downhill. Money shot.
Towers above, the people we love are falling around us. Slowly we choke on all of the smoke that's rising to drown us. It's harder than hell, we've emptied the well, we're melting together. But we will survive, solidify, we'll never surrender. All hail to the kings and queens in a city of broken dreams. We're the last of the royalty, so bow down and get on your knees. This is our kingdom, it's our castle. We'll bring a million to the battle. This is our throne, this is our home. This is our kingdom, and remember, till our last breath, we'll defend her. This is our throne, this is our home.
We're muddy, we're wet, we're having a great time.
It's blinding our eyes, we're fueling the fire. The known and the nameless, the hopeless, the famous, all trying to get higher. And if every wall will crumble and fall and cave from the pressure, we'll build up again, we're here till the end, we can do this forever. All hail to the kings and queens in a city of broken dreams. We're the last of the royalty, so bow down and get on your knees. This is our kingdom, it's our castle. We'll bring a million to the battle. This is our throne, this is our home. This is our kingdom, and remember, till our last breath, we'll defend her. This is our throne.
My knee is toast. 10K in, we toast.
Sun has just come out though, and it feels so good.
I don't think it's part of my leg anymore.
Oh. Detached.
Welcome to the kingdom.
At this point in time, there is nobody ahead of us, nobody behind us. We are either in first or in dead last.
All hail to the kings and queens in a city of broken dreams. We're the last of the royalty. Bow down and get on your knees. This is our kingdom, it's our castle. We'll bring a million to the battle. This is our throne, this is our home. This is our kingdom, and remember, till our last breath, we'll defend her. This is our throne, this is our home.
shit. You just send it? Where's Tyler? I know. Tyler! Alright, so after 15 kilometers and 30 obstacles, we have officially wrapped up the Toronto section of 2022 Tough Mudder. Congratulations, guys. Great team. Right there. Woo!
Alpha Bravo.